Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide a fraction by a mixed number. To do this question, you will write 2 over 5 again. Then you write division again. And then write this mixed number as an improper fraction. To do that, you will do 3 times 3, that gives 9. Then 9 plus this 2 on top, you have 11. You write 11 over the denominator again, which is this 3. Now the next thing you do is you keep the fraction at the left the same. That means that you will write 2 over 5 again. Alright, then you change this division to multiplication. Then you flip 11 over 3. When you flip 11 over 3, 3 will go up and become the numerator. Then 11 will come down and become the denominator. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 2 and 5. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 3 and 11. Then you check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 5 and 3. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 2 and 11. So you multiply the numerators. So you do 2 times 3, that gives 6 over, multiply the denominators. You do 5 times 11, that gives 55. So the answer becomes 6 over 55. Also, to do this second question, you write 4 over 7 again. It's easy. Then you write division again. Then you write this mixed number as an improper word fraction. You do 2 times 5, that gives 10. Then plus this 1 on top, you have 11. Over the denominator again, which happens to be 2. Alright, now you keep the fraction at the left the same, meaning you write 4 over 7 again. Alright, then you change this division to multiplication, and then you flip 11 over 2. When you flip 11 over 2, 2 will go up and become the numerator. 11 will come down and become the denominator. Alright, then you multiply the numerators. You do 4 times 2, that gives 8 over, multiply the denominators. You do 7 times 11, that gives 77. So the answer becomes 8 over what? 77. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Have a great day.